I am pleased to inform you that our student Vaishnavi Potekar of Stellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence has secured 97% and got the first position in merit list of Goa State Hssc exam. Other than Vaishnavi, our student Tushar Jain, our student Aditya Chaube and Parth Mundra, they have secured more than 99 percentile in JEE main exam. Along with them, in total 17 students have got more than 90 percentile in JEE main exam this year. If we talk about board result, 18 students from Stellar School Integrated Program has got more than 90% of result in 12th science exam. Apart from that, from Stellar Academy, 16 students have got more than 90 percentage of result. So if we look back, every year since 2019, since we started, we have given toppers of Goa State in one or the other exam. In 2019, Sumukh Fulgaonkar was the Goa State HSSC topper of 12th science exam. In 2020, Akash Kamath was the topper of CBSE 12th result for Goa State. In 2021, Abida Barreto, our student of Stellar Academy coaching, got first position in NEET exam in entire state of Goa. In 2022, our student Khushi Gadoli got first position in GTSE exam, and this year Vaishnavi Potekar, she has got 97% and secured first place in the merit list in entire Goa state. So what we are observing is that every year our result and performance is increasing, it is growing, and we promise you that with our hard work and efforts of our student and support of their parents, each year we try to get even better result than what we have given so far. Our result has improved in numbers also, that means overall selections have increased, as well as the quality of result. If you see the average score which student used to secure earlier and now what they are securing, that has been improved very drastically. So with each passing year our result is improving, and we'll work very hard to continue this legacy. Thank you so much for all your support, and we promise you to give our best to provide similar results in future also. Thank you so much.
I am Vaishnavi Potekar, student of Stellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence. I have topped the Goa Board HSSC Science 2023 exams, and I feel very happy that my hard work has paid off. The teachers at Stellar Academy are really good at their respective subjects. They are always available whenever you have doubts, and you can approach them anytime. I feel Stellar is better than other coachings because the teachers here are always available whenever you have doubts, and you can approach them at any time, no matter the subject: physics, chemistry, maths, biology, and even languages. In fact, earlier I was studying at another coaching, and I am very happy that I chose to shift to Stellar High Secondary School for my 12th standard. Following my success, even my brother has chosen to do his 12th standard in Stellar. At Stellar, you are not only prepared for competitive exams but also for boards. It is a balanced preparation in which equal importance is given to board exams as well as competitive exams. In my case, I've got 96.7 percentile for JEE mains, and I've also answered NEET, and I'm expecting to do well in that also. I'm waiting for the NEET results. I've topped the Goa Board Higher Secondary School exams for science stream by scoring 97%. I have also topped in physics, biology, and English. The major advantage of taking admission at the Stellar Integrated Program was that the classes get over by 3:30, so I had plenty of time for self-study and revision. I used my after-school hours to practice solving questions, and I asked my teachers if I had any doubts regarding anything. At Stellar, there are regular tests conducted based on the actual format of JEE and NEET exams as well as board exams, which helps us to recognize our level of preparedness for boards as well as competitive exams. We are given specialized study materials which contain many questions, exercises and PYQs. I was studying at the Porvarim Center and my teachers at Porvarim were always available, so I could always approach them when I had doubts. Our Porvarim teachers were not traveling to other centers to teach. They were always available at the Porvarim Center, same way as the Margao teachers were always teaching at the Margao Center and the Vasco teachers were only teaching at the Vasco Center. This makes them approachable to students. I would recommend all students who are willing to crack JEE and NEET or top in the boards to definitely join Stellars, as Stellars has given back-to-back state toppers for many years.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.